All right, we have a shirt. And it says Dwayne, Whitney, Ron, Freddie, and Kim. If y'all don't know who these people are, where have you been? Sleeping under a rock?
Tell me how much you need me. Make my world go round. Ain't no competition. No one can compare.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another unboxing video. And this unboxing video is from Izzy Liv. And it's brown sugar box. So we're gonna get us a thumbnail. If you are watching this video will be posted on Friday. So do not mind me in this shirt because this video will come out tomorrow, which is Friday. So guys, yeah, y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. Okay, I'm back. So we got a new unboxing. This is a new subscription. This is actually my sister's box. And she said I can, use this for an unboxing because I'm thinking about trying to get one of these. So it's brown sugar box, a black owned company because we support black businesses. So we're gonna prop this up here. Boy, excuse me. Of course, my nephew's in the background. So, dun, dun, dun. Look at all the goodies that's inside of here. Ain't this bomb? Like, I think this is about $40. I'm not sure. They have different boxes. Excuse me, you're so rude. Man, like, yeah. So inside we have a whole bunch of goodies. Alright, first off, this is their little booklet that they give each month. And it's the Brown Sugar University Edition. Basically, it's a whole bunch of tips and little stories and stuff about shows. I've watched this, which is Dear White People. The show is good. I watched Grownish. That's also good. And then it just talks about college life and stuff like that, all for a black girl. They also have different boxes. This is the little shirts that they give that comes in it. That's awesome. It says, love, support, respect black women. As you should, baby. And some songs that people listen to, like Around the Way Girl by LL Cool J, Free Your Mind, Evoke, Formation by Beyonce, Lose My Breath by Destiny Child, yes. Before I Let Go, Maze and Frankie Beverly. That was a good song. Gots to Be Real, Cheryl Lynn. Poison by Belle Biv DeVoe. I always get their name wrong, but it's good. This is How We Do It, Montel Jordan. Yes, they got the good songs. Atomic Dog by George Clinton. I'm Everyone by Whitney Houston. Yes. What About Your Friends, TLC? Yes. No Letting Go by Wayne Wonder. Yes. Oh My God, featuring Will I Am by Usher. Yes. Don't Stop the Music by Rihanna. Yes. Just Fine, Mary J. Blige. Yes. Rhythm Nation. Yes. Got it. Janet Jackson got her up in here. Just Kicking It by Escape. Yup. Do Wop That Thing by Lauryn Hill. And the last song is No Diggity by Blackstreet. Yes. And then they have a list of questions. That can I change my side preferences for future box? Yes. Will I be billed for the next month? Yep. Cancellation process, skip a month, exchange return items in the box. Can I share photos or unbox videos with you? Something wrong with my order. I have a question, feedback, school, contact. And so like that, this is basically a great informational booklet. Now on to the great things that you came here to see. We have a brown sugar university hat. Is cool. I mean, can it fit my head? Somewhat. Okay, we're gonna fold that back down. Then we also have, what's in here? I've got the power. It's a portable mini charger. What is lit? Let's see what it looks like in the inside. I don't want to break this because technically this is not my box. But you know what? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's cute. I mean, it's a little thing that says live. It says I got the power. It's in this wrapping. I don't want to really take it out because, like I said, it's not mine. But you know, I was requested to do an unboxing video for this, so here we go. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have took it out. I should have left it alone. Oh Lord have mercy. All right. Whew. Put that right back. Inside we have a shirt. Ah, dang my leg. Shirt. Ah, dang my leg. All right, we have a shirt. And it says Dwayne, Whitney, Ron, Freddie, and Kim. If y'all don't know who these people are, where have you been? Sleeping under a rock? Now I wish I knew how to fold this back up. But we gonna fold it how I know how to fold it. If y'all don't know who these lovely people are, you've been sleeping under a rock. These are the characters from A Different World. Like bomb.com. Ooh, and we got like a bag. It's purple too. I like purple, but it ain't my favorite color though. If this was in blue, it would have been bomb. But this is so cute. Yes. Ooh. Somebody gonna be happy. And then we got some ultra smooth lip balm. And its flavors are Honey Crush and Coconut Kiss. Yes, bomb.com. And last but not least, we have a Brown Sugar University, I think, journal. Yes, and it's also purple too. Bomb.com. Oh, it's soft too. Yes. This is bomb.com. Make sure you put all this stuff back in there the right way. Because that was bomb. Yes. Great, great, great. Yes. Perfect. Ooh. Come on, yo, Rhea. Yes, this was a great unboxing video. Everything was bomb inside, yes. And it's basically a monthly subscription. So this is like $40 that they bill you each month. And automatically you're guaranteed to have a shirt inside. So if this is something you're interested in, and it's also a black-owned company, check them out. It's by Izzy Liv. Now, I think next month I'm going to actually order my own and do it that way. So, yes, this is great. I'm loving it. Like, yes. So, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Quick unboxing video. Yeah, do not mind this in the background. I was using that as a prop, but obviously it didn't go out as planned. So, it is what it is. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. And Hit that bell, that way you be notified when I post, of course, because I know you want to see what I got in store for y'all. I know you want to keep coming back and looking at all these great videos that I'm putting out, all this great content I have for y'all. I know you want to. So until next time, we out of here. Peace.
Don't tell me I can have it, cause I get it myself. Trying to set limits, I'm not with it.